Welcome to this tutorial. This tutorial will quickly show you how to create easily a, a webmail or an email address from your cPanel web hosting account. And once you have created that email, uh, to create an email forwarder, meaning an email forwarder to another email address, meaning if someone sends an email to this created email address, the same message will be forwarded to another email which you have set as a forwarding email. All right. To create an email in cPanel, just head over to cPanel and head over to email accounts. And from this interface, email accounts, you get to create an email address for this domain. Domain meaning, in our example, fix.org. That's our domain. So just enter something like probably we would want a secretariat for this organization, secretariat. And of course, just I need to generate an email, a password first. And after creating a password, just click create, and you now have a email address. Okay, so let us immediately test if this should be working before anything else. We need to immediately test this email. Let's do it now, quickly. This is a test email to, all right, then send. Let us see if that is working. All right, to access your webmail for this email address, you could probably just quickly click on this, check email from within your cPanel. Of course, if you need to check it from a webmail coming outside your cPanel, that should normally be your domain /org, for example, and then webmail. And you probably get the credentials from your hosting or from your maintainer who's maintaining the cPanel. All right, when we clicked on the webmail, check the webmail for this email. On first instance, you'll be prompted to choose if whether you want to use round cube always. If you want to use round cube always, just click on open my inbox whenever I log in, or probably just open it for now. And as you can see, we have now received this test email that we did. All right. So now what we want is to forward the same email while at the same time keeping this email on the cPanel webmail or from RoundCube. We want the same email forwarded to another email, you know, for convenience. Sometimes you want to maintain another email for this, for many reasons. Just head over, search for forwarders. All right. And then let us create, for example, a forwarder. Okay, just choose that domain, whether this one or this one. Add the forwarder. Put in the address, which is the one that we created. You do not need to put the at because it's already provided here. All right, and forward to. All right, let's do a test. I want to forward the same email messages going to my live or MSN email account. Forward, just enter the external email that you want to serve as a forwarding address. There are other options here, but normally you don't need that, for advanced users. And just add forwarder. Oh, live.com is not allowed. Why? So we'll probably use a Gmail. We need to check that. Probably our hosting provider has some restrictions for live.com. Forward to email, maybe let's use my other email, which is on Gmail. Forward to email address. Okay, let's double check everything is correct. Then just add forwarder. Oh man. So let's try another email besides live and Gmail. Let's see what happens. All right. So I guess the issue is something to do with Gmail and live.com. We'll need to check the reason. But for now, we can try to do another test if this will work now. So again, if I send an email to our domain-based email, and then this is a test forwarder to, all right, the forwarding email. Okay, let's send that now. All right. So if we go back again to the webmail, just to check if indeed uh, webmail is still working, probably we need to check the spam for some reason. It's not here. Refresh. And it took a while, a few seconds, but obviously we have received the email, and we could probably check on my other email, the forwarding email, if this has been received. And going to the inbox of my other email, the forwarding email, we have now received that email. Okay, and it says so here. So from my email, going to our domain-based email, which has been received from Roundcube or the webmail, and at the same time, the same email is forwarded here. Of course, you may need to, you may want to keep the same email here, or probably just delete it to save space from your web hosting if that is a concern. You could probably set it up here from your preferences to, delete incoming messages if that is what you want. So I hope that helps. Okay, until the next video.